How to fix Android phone freezing randomly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Android phone freezing randomly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to fix an Android phone freezing randomly, there are a few quick fixes you can try. First is you can force restart. For that, press the power button and the volume up button together for about 10 to 15 seconds until the phone reboots. So do that and your phone will automatically reboot, and after it reboots, check if that fixes your problem. If not, you can then close the app, open the recently app view. So let's say that I've opened up multiple apps like this. Open up your app view and then remove it from the background. And after you've swiped away all the open applications to free up the RAM, it should stop freezing. You'll also need to check your storage. So go to your settings, search for storage. On your storage, you will need to make sure that you have 15 to 20% of your total storage remaining for optimal performance. You can delete large files and unused apps. After that, you'll also need to charge your phone because a very low battery can sometimes cause performance issues. And yeah, after that, for some app solutions, you'll need to uninstall any apps which is causing you a lot of problems. Remove apps you downloaded just before freezing started. So if you've downloaded something maybe not from its official source, maybe APK, you'll need to delete it. So for example, let's say if this Spotify is not from Play Store, I downloaded it from somewhere else, I'll need to delete this. That I can press on the app, long press on it, tap on this information option, then tap on the uninstall button. So delete the app that is causing the issue. And yeah, just restart your device time and again and problem should be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.